everyone, welcome to a new video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 12, Miracles of Nature. Now in this chapter, first we are going to read some of the miracles of the nature and then we'll do the exercise for them. Let's begin with it. Now it says that you have to read and learn about some of the miracles of the nature given in this chapter. The first one is aloe vera. This is the image of the aloe vera, a common plant which is nowadays found in everybody's garden. It is used for various medicinal purpose. It has a positive effect on the skin. The juice of this plant is used in cosmetics and medicines for treating burns. Then we have the second miracle and that is sandalwood, जिसे आप चंदन भी कहते हैं. It is also called chandan, is used to cure different skin disorders, treat the patients with urinary tract infection, and it soothes the burning sensations in the households. So this was all about the chandan or the sandalwood. Next we have the holy basil or the tulsi. It is also known as tulsi. It is a medicinal herb. It is used for treating cold, asthma as well as skin and respiratory problems. This is the image of tulsi. This is also a plant which can be found in everybody's house. People usually worship tulsi as a holy plant or a sacred plant. Let's now move further. The next miracle given on this page is the amla, or what we call it as the Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla in India, is a rich source of vitamin C. And it is used to treat jaundice and diarrhea. It also helps to get rid of cold and cough. So consumption of amla is really helpful for you. Some people also say that amla is good for hairs and eyesight. So you should eat amla. Let's move to the next page, children. On the next page, we have another miracle that is called as wild turmeric or haldi. It appears as if it is ginger, but no, it is not ginger. This is turmeric. This is also found as a tuber under the soil. It says that it's a medicinal herb with special antibiotic and antiseptic properties. Let's know your answer, please. Now what does it say? Which medicinal herb helps in the treatment or treating of digestive and liver problems, wounds and skin diseases? So children, look out the answer for this question and write the answer here. Let's now read the quick fact. The quick fact says that black pepper is a type of spice which is a native to the Malabar coast of India. It is known to boost the white blood cells that help our bodies to fight off bacteria and viruses. Then next we have the quiz time. Let's begin with the quiz. The first question given over here is answer the following questions, out of which the first one says of the four systems of medicine, that is the Ayurveda, Allopathy, Unani and the Siddha, which system does not entirely depend on the medicinal properties of the plant? कौन सा सिस्टम है जो प्लांट्स की मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज पे बिल्कुल डिपेंड नहीं करता है? And that system of medicine is allopathy. The next we have match the following. In the first column they have given you the name of the plant and the second they have given the remedy for. We have to match the plant with the remedy. The first one is Bhring Raj and it is associated with which remedy? It is responsible for hair loss. Then next is Amla. It's a remedy for another ailment, and this is called as scurvy. C is cinnamon, and cinnamon is another plant which can be used for the remedy of respiratory and digestive ailments. D is isabgol, and isabgol can be a remedy for constipation. E is neem, and neem is responsible for treatment of skin diseases. Fifth, we have the clove, and clove is used as a remedy for toothache. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.